Did you know that your thoughts are just simply thoughts? They are no more than thoughts. They're just particles of energy that enter your brain. And the great thing about a thought is, a thought can have no effect on you whatsoever unless you allow it, unless you attach an emotion or a feeling to that thought. So here's the cool thing. Thoughts have got no power over you. You have complete control over your thoughts. So the next time you're feeling anxious, you're feeling depressed, you're feeling down, or you're feeling a bit low, here's a little exercise for you to do. When that thought comes into your mind, remembering that you've got complete control of the emotion you attach to this particular thought, pay no heed. Smile at it and go, next. And the next thought comes along. And if you don't want to acknowledge that thought, smile at it and go, next. And so on and so forth. So every thought that comes into your mind, you have complete control over. If you don't like that thought, don't give it a feeling, don't attach any emotion to it whatsoever, and simply go, next, move on. Try it throughout the day and see how you get on with it. My name is Garth Delican, and you can find more about me on my website, garthdelican.com.